Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all doing well. If you're not seen the unboxing or you missed the unboxing of this watch and another watch, then the link is up there. So let's open this watch. So here you have the guarantee card and some instructions. So let's look at the watch. As I said, it is a part of Save the Ocean. These are some tags, prospects, and this is the caliber 4R35. One more tag, Save the Ocean, and the extra links. I have sized this watch now, so I have kept extra links. Now let's look at the watch. We don't need this. It's a beautiful watch. It's a really beautiful watch. The dial is so impressive. If you look at this watch in person, it's really beautiful. Look at the dial, guys. There is a wavy pattern in the dial. You might not be able to pick it up with the camera here, but that resembles the waves in the ocean. And there are two manta rays inside this. One is at 9 o'clock position. I think you can see it. And one is at 4 o'clock. I'll just move this hand so you can see it. So it's a hacking and hand winding. So I'll pull out the crown, and first position you can change the date, and second position the second hand stop. So you can adjust the watch accordingly and set it to exact time. So now let's move the hand. So now you can see the second manta ray at 4 o'clock. Let's see the Seiko rocket. Yeah, that's a beautiful Seiko rocket. Here. There it starts ticking. So it's an automatic watch with hand winding also. So that is a 4R35 movement, and it has a screw down crown. This is a 200 meter water resistant watch. This is basically a Samurai, a Seiko Samurai, and I never had a Seiko Samurai, always wanted to have one. They came out with a limited edition, and it has a sapphire crystal instead of hard legs. This one has a sapphire crystal, and instead of aluminum insert bezel or stainless steel insert bezel, this is having a ceramic bezel. I love this watch. It has some weight. I'm used to the Omega, which is very heavy watch, but this is also nice and heavy, and I like some heavy watches. Let's look at it on the wrist. Let me just move the hands once again, so you will be able to better judge how it looks. Yeah, that's good enough. Nice screw down crown. Very nice and safe. And the crown guards are also nice. Okay, let me just remove this watch. I was using the Casio Edifice. Before I forget, this has a diverse extension clasp. There it is. Now it is closed. You can easily open it. Just pull this, and then you can unlock it. So this is the extension you're getting. You can wear it over a wetsuit quite easily. You can just put it this way and lock it again in place. So now it is according to normal size, which I have sized. Nice watch, brilliant watch. It looks really nice in person. You should see this. If you get a chance, go to the showroom and check this one out. This is beautiful. There are two other colors, but those two other colors you can get in any other watch or any other Seiko. This is particularly this blue with this textured blue dial is really beautiful. The bracelet is typical Seiko, double safety, I have no complaints about it. I'm used to these bracelets. And bezel, unidirectional bezel, very smooth, very smooth and nice. It doesn't go back, has no play whatsoever, and everything lines up. I don't know how people get Seikos where the chapter ring is not lining up with 12 o'clock, the bezel is not lining up with 12 o'clock. This is perfectly aligned, perfectly. There is no complaints whatsoever. Perfect. And I have got all my Seikos which are aligned perfectly. None of them have any error. None of them. Maybe I'm just lucky. So there is no display case back, and I'm okay with that. I don't need to see every movement all the time. The crown is not signed, but that's okay. You don't need that, but it has got a nice radial pattern to it. You can see there. And if you see the bezel, it has got a nice diamond shaped checkered pattern to grip. Details are very nice in this watch. Detailed watch. Taken some effort to design this watch. Beautiful. Okay, the Cyclops some people don't like. I like it because you can see the date much clearer, much bigger. It does not have a day like Seiko 5, just the date. So guys, this is a Seiko Samurai limited edition Save the Ocean version, and I love this. Beautiful watch. So guys, before I close this video, I want to share one more thing about this watch. It's a Seiko Lume. In the night, this is a torch. I'm not kidding guys, this is very bright in the dark, and the Lumi Bright that they use, the Seiko, is fantastic. If you keep it next to the wall, it highlights the wall also. So the lume of this watch is fantastic. So guys, if you like this watch, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.